This is a 120-page book journal that I made using My Porch Prints Feel Good digital kit. Here's the tassel that I have attached right to the loop that I had put between the text block and the cover. And so I just tied that right on there. So it's not detachable. And this is the waistband of the skirt. And there's got 2 D-rings. I thought that would be cute as a closure. The quote on the front says, "If you're always trying to be normal, you'll never know how amazing you can be," by Maya Angelou. That's a really great quote. So the end pages are using the kit papers, and this is the peony. And I print this on cardstock, and then that attaches the text block to the cover. And this is one of the tags. I put a little sticker, the butterfly is a sticker that I made on my Cricut machine, and that's from the kit, so it matches, which is great. I just love this page. It's a self-care calendar. Make a special drink just for you. Take a hot shower or bath. Walk barefoot. I thought that was really nice. We need to do more self-care. So these daily journal pages have today's inspiration, I'm thankful for, date, acts of self-care, my reward today, and about today. So that is great. Little tab from the kit. Lots of blank pages. I included, this is 120 pages, so I like to write a lot every day. So I need one of these journals to do lots of writing. This page is also the peony page, and this is an envelope that came with the kit. I sewed it right into the middle of this group of pages, or the signature, and I had to be careful about sort of lining it up so the holes were on each side so it would be secure and stay secure, but I just love that you can see both sides. And it's also magnetized, so it will close. There's another quote. And then this little envelope, I made a smaller version of the envelope, and I magnetized it as well so it could be a little bookmark. So that can move around a bit. And I also put some stickers in here, so you can use those as you are journaling. This is a bookmark that is also a pen holder. Just grab a pen here. I thought that was a great idea to hold your pens. I saw this on a YouTube video by Paper Posh Lady, I think is the name, and I'll link that. And it opens up, and it's double-sided, and then you can just put that wherever you want to, because there's magnets on the bottom. You can put that at the side or at the top. I just thought that was so great and so useful. So I had to make one of those. Lots of pages here. Positive thoughts. I just thought the image on that was so beautiful. I love the colors. Another end page, which is one of the background papers. And another ruffle. I love making those. And a few more tags. A little charm. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. That's by Winston Churchill. And of course I used some tickets with some words for inspiration. And there you go.